Hi, I'm Teresa the Traveler, and today I'm on an adventure in Scotty Creek with two prospectors that I just recently met.
Hey,
This is Matt.
I'm Wade.
Hey, and how long you guys been prospecting for?
Since I was 3 years old with my dad in the Yukon.
Really?
In BC, yeah.
So the gold rush is over in BC, but there's still gold to be found, is what you're saying?
The gold rush is definitely not over in BC. It's just more secluded, so to speak.
You're just not in such a rush anymore.
Yeah.
Never knowing when he's going to come across some gold, Matt always brings his gold pan with him. The old miners mined all this area. They worked this creek for a long time. Oh, we're getting close to the creek now. We're going down this trail. All right, we've hit the creek, but now we have to make our way into that canyon over top of some boulders over there. Oh, this is quite an adventure up here. Oh cool, they got little footholds in the rock. That'll help. Wow, this is amazing. The water is actually pretty warm, so make sure you bring some water shoes though, because it's kind of rocky. A little squishy through here. Oh, that is so cool. Matt found a little spot to do some panning. It gets a little deep here now. Okay, my turn. Ooh, this is a little scary. Up to my waist. So, are we close to the waterfall?
Oh yeah. I'll inflate one of those rubber dinghies so we can bring it right into the pool.
Okay. Okay, the water gets a lot colder here as we get close to the waterfall. Oh, this is creepy. Oh. Okay, that pool is really deep, so we're going to fill up some rubber dinghies and try and get a better look at the waterfall. Look at that canyon we're in. Okay, the guys have blown up the rubber dinghies and we're going to explore that waterfall a little more. Okay, now I'm getting a custom dinghy ride into the creek. There's my driver. Okay, I'm still not quite sure how this is going to work. Matt's just getting into his dinghy right now. I don't know, it all worked on paper, but I'm not sure if this is going to work in real life. Okay, so the plan is we're going to try and get a picture of this waterfall here. Let's see. Actually, this is kind of fun. It's like bumper boats. Whoa. You having fun in there, Matt?
You can see a couple of the pools up there.
A couple of the what? The pools?
Yeah, there's a couple more pools over there. Okay, I can touch the bottom here now.
Alright, we're heading back on to the next adventure. And that's all, folks. Come out to Scotty Creek and, well, and don't try not to go over the waterfalls.